Hey there, I'm Alex from WTI. Just give me a second, I'm gonna go open up my garage door. Pretty sweet, eh? I know it's simple, but you know what? When you lose your garage door opener, there's nothing more annoying. So this garage door opener is actually aftermarket. It's by CreaCity. We lost our garage door opener and winter's here, and we just wanted to be able to open our garage door easily. And there's a couple things about this one by CreaCity that I really liked. First of all, when I was looking for a replacement, some of them didn't even come with a visor clip. Like, where else would you put it other than on your visor? So that was like number one, okay? Secondly, I thought I was gonna have to go out and buy a battery for it, you know, those big flat batteries, but actually it already came with one. So I cracked it open actually because I was like, oh, I gotta figure out which battery to get. But oh no, there was already a battery included. Massive. That's great value to add to your replacement. I really like also that it comes in a 2-pack. It's also great to have if you have more than one vehicle. I also can't forget how easy it was to program. All you have to figure out is which color button you have on the motor on your garage door opener, and in a few steps it's done within 2 minutes. It was really easy. So if you're looking to get a replacement for your garage door opener, I highly recommend this one here from CreaCity, and that's my point of view.